Hi there, I'm Marcus, your local realtor, and today we're going behind the scenes at Savalio & Co. Real Estate to share with you our selling secrets, and you're going to walk away with some insider knowledge and strategies that we use every day to sell homes successfully. Let's dive in. When it comes to determining the right price for your home, it's important to examine location, square footage, amenities, and recent sales. This allows us to understand your home's true market value. Our agents research each home we visit prior to the appointment so we have a good understanding of your local neighborhood and can give recommendations based on market research. But here's the secret. There are 3 ways to price your home. You could aim high and hope for one unicorn buyer who's willing to pay any price to live in your home. You could price it at fair market value and get a few offers. Or you could price it around 5 to 10% under market value and have everyone see it as a great value. Then squeeze all the buyers to see it at the same time in order to whip up a frenzied auction mentality and end up pushing that price well over what listing at market value would have brought in. I know what I would do, but the choice is yours. My name's Marcus with Savalio & Co. Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below on what other realtor secrets you'd like us to share next.